Chapter 2, Uses of a Computer. It is raining outside. I wish I could play. I wish I could draw and color the beautiful rainy scene outside. You can do all this on the computer. Let me tell you how. Wow, let's go! Uses of a computer. We can do many different tasks with the help of a computer. A computer helps us in writing letters, drawing pictures, playing games, listening to music, watching movies and cartoons, booking tickets online. Fact bit. Do you know, children, that with the help of computers, we can talk with people sitting far away from us? This is called video chat. Through this, we can see and listen to our friends. Fact bit. Charles Babbage is known as father of computer, places where computers are used. We can see people using computers everywhere. Now let us see what computers do at different places. School. It is used in schools for teaching, keeping book record, keeping attendance record. Offices. It is used in offices for storing information, writing emails, printing letters. Banks. It is used in banks for keeping records of customers, depositing money, taking out money. Hospitals. It is used in hospitals for keeping records of the patients, conducting medical tests. Airports and railway stations. It is used on airports and railway stations for booking tickets, keeping records of the passengers, giving information about arrival and departure timings. Superstores and malls. It is used in superstores and malls for generating bills, keeping records of stock.